Falls are one of the top 10 causes of patient injuries in hospitals and nursing facilities. In the US, accidental falls reach up to 700,000 to 1 million cases per year. Detecting falls immediately and gaining more time for treatment is critical to saving lives. Because of increased awareness of patient privacy, the challenge now is obtaining accurate health information while also protecting patient privacy. Joybien is utilizing mmWave radar technology to solve this problem.
Our Batman mmWave solution senses from a person in form of three-dimensional point cloud position data and Doppler velocity data without sensing human contour image for both rule-based and the latest AI deep learning implementation to provide high-accuracy human behavior monitoring. Our mmWave technology sensing objects could be as big as a moving truck or as small as humans' heartbeat and breathing chest movement. So it can detect patient falls in real time, enabling hospitals to provide immediate assistance without invading their privacy.
But how does mmWave radar work?
Radar systems transmit electromagnetic wave signals the object in their path then reflect. An FMCW radar system determines the range, velocity, and angle of the objects. Our mmWave technology is based on 60 GHz to 64 GHz radar that transmits FMCW with wavelengths of about 4 to 5 mm. We have the ability to determine movements with high accuracy. For production of the mmWave module, working with the right SMD house is very important, especially the mmWave's high-frequency electronic device. So the SMD house has the capability of working when producing and testing is a must. We have been coping with COVID-19 pandemic for the last couple of years, and we have seen how devastating this pandemic caused human sufferings and its profound loading on healthcare systems worldwide. Our mmWave evaluation kits can be applied for vital signs detection, vital energy detection, people fall detection, people zone occupancy detection, posture analysis for rehabilitation, and entrance or gate detection. We believe integrating mmWave sensor solution into the healthcare IoT or ART system could provide us a part of the answer to alleviate healthcare system loading.
After years of development, Joybien provides a solution that not only detects accidental falls and enables immediate treatment, but also relieves the burden for healthcare personnel, enhancing healthcare quality and efficiency, and leaving patients feeling more at ease.